How often should you be watering your trees? Let's talk about it. So the answer to this question really depends on several different things. We're gonna break down each one to give you a conclusive answer on whether or not you need to water your tree today or if you could wait another day or two. So the first thing you need to know is this an established tree or is this a newly planted tree? There's a big difference there because an established tree means that it's been in the ground for at least a couple of years and it has a larger root system. Your newly planted trees have a much smaller root system. They can't reach out and find water, so you've got to give them water more frequently. It's also going to depend on what type of tree it is. Some tree species are just more thirsty than others. For example, if you have a willow or a magnolia, they're going to have a higher water requirement than something like a desert willow or a live oak. And of course, your mature landscape trees, those ones that have been in the ground for 20, 30 plus years, can go a much longer time without you giving them irrigation than a younger tree can. Now, there is one universal rule that goes for all trees, whether that is a newly planted tree or a well-established tree. And that is, you never want to water a tree every day. Whenever you water a tree every day, you're essentially training that tree to think that it's always going to have a source of water and it's never going to have to develop those wide and deep roots that trees normally develop. So essentially, you're going to be stunting the root system because it never needs to develop large roots. And then as that tree grows larger, it can become imbalanced and even topple over because the top gets much larger than the roots can support. Also, if you're watering a tree every day, you run the risk of keeping the soil overly saturated, which can lead to root rot and eventually tree death. So when we think about tree watering, we actually need to think about training the root system of the tree to grow wider and deeper, so that way it can be a healthier tree in the long term. When we look at a newly planted tree, all of the roots were just inside of a bucket whenever you purchased this tree. So the roots are just contained very close to the trunk. So we're actually gonna focus our watering very close to the trunk of a newly planted tree. We wanna make sure that we give it enough water that it's gonna soak down all the way to the bottom of the roots. And then that might mean that you water it and then come back to it 20 or 30 minutes later and water it again, just to make sure that it's been able to seep down lower. Now, also on your newly planted trees, you wanna make sure that you are watering at least 2 to 3 times a week whenever you have hot and dry and windy weather, because they tend to dry out faster. Now, once your tree has been in the ground for a couple of summers, it's starting to get established, we actually change how frequently we water and how we water the tree. First of all, now instead of watering every 2 to 3 days in summer, we will start backing off to maybe once a week during the summertime as we go through this establishment period. And we can also start watering a wider area on the ground as those roots start to spread out farther from the trunk. The ducks want some water too. Even though they have a whole pond right over there, for some reason, they like having the water hose on. Now, the way that we water a wider area, this is gonna seem a little bit different, but we actually turn the volume down on the water hose so that there's less coming out at a time. And what that will do is that's gonna allow that water to spread over a little bit bigger area as it starts to sink in. If you run the water on too high of a volume where it's just blasting out of there, you're gonna notice that it just tends to run off and go other places far away from the tree. Now, as the trees get even larger, if we're talking about mature trees in your yard or in your landscape, that's whenever sprinkler systems can come in handy. Or if you don't have a sprinkler system, the best way to water a mature tree is by using a trickle of water. But what you're going to do is set your hose to a trickle and then lay it out for hours. So that way that water can slowly seep into the ground and spread out over a larger area of the tree's roots. A couple of things with that though. Make sure that you go out every couple of hours and move the hose around to make sure that you are spreading it over the entire volume of the plant's roots, which oftentimes reach out further than the tree branches themselves. And when you do this trickle method of watering with your mature trees, you don't have to do this nearly as often as you're watering your young trees. It could be that your mature trees don't need this at all, or just monitor. If your area starts to get into a drought situation, then maybe every 3 weeks or 4 weeks you go out and do this trickle method of watering the mature trees, just to make sure that they're staying healthy and that you're protecting those valuable shade trees that you have around your property. Just remember, your young trees need water more frequently. Your older trees, they like water less frequently, but they like it low and slow. Just remember that you are protecting your trees, protecting that investment every time you go out and water. So don't forget to water those trees.